This is the 269th year of celebration of Durga Puja at Shobha Bazaar, and we go back to the date that is just around 124 years back, that a report was published in the Statesman on October the 29th, 1901. Yes, we got a report from the Statesman, and the report was published on October the 29th, 1901. Yes, around 124 years back, when there was a report, and we go through that report and just listen to the report. The town was awake during the Puja week, and the celebrations were in keeping with the pomp and gaiety like the previous years. We notice the following among the most notable of the celebrations. Yes, the Durga Puja was celebrated at the Shobha Bazaar Rajbari. In the Thakurbadi of Maharaja Sir Narendra Krishna of Shobha Bazaar, the Royal Bengal Theatrical Company gave performances of the celebrated dramas Shakuntala to the entire satisfaction of the audience. Yes, that was in 1901. In the premises of the late Sir Raja Radhakanta Dev, the well-known Baijis, yes, Baijis were the dancing girls of the town. They had their role for 15 days as usual. So there used to be celebration for around 15 days at this Shobha Bazaar Rajbari. Yes, we are going through a report which was published in the Statesman on October the 29th, 1901. 124 years back, let's have a look at the report. So, the Baijis, the dancing girls, they were there, and this year, that is in 1901, it was the turn of Kumar Jatindra Narayan Dev. Yes, he organized all those things. The Durga Puja at the Shobha Bazaar Rajbari. The Star Theatrical Company played their much talked of operas. Yes, the operas was played. The name was Parasya Prasum, Laila Majnu, and farces. Yes, like Kripanidhan and Ekakar. Yes, the first two nights of the puja, these operas were played there at the Shobha Bazaar Rajbari. The representations were so nice, and the different parts were so creditably played, especially the songs of Parisena were so soul captivating that both the European and the Indian guests gave cheers continuously. Yes, that was in 1901, 124 years back, and Kumar, Kirindra Narayan and Jyotindra Narayan presented a silver medal to Parisena for her songs. The representations of the other plays were also worthy of the Star Theatrical Company. The third night there were magical performances as well as dancings. Light refreshments were served for European guests by a Mohammedan hotel. Yes, a Mohammedan hotel, they served refreshment to European guests because they take all those things. In the premises of the late Maharaja Kumar Neel Krishna, the widow of the Kumar, Rani Indubala Devi fed the poor for the 3 puja nights. Yes, that was in 1901, 124 years back. And at the Raja Binoy Krishna's that house, the hospitality of Raja Binoy Krishna was largely participated during the 3 days of the celebrations, and the second day recorded the high watermark of the festivities, and on which there was a large gathering of the European gentry, among whom we notice S. Jackson, Esquire and family, Mr. Mendes, H. Pentone, ICS, with friends, Mr. Edgar, R.K. Consul and friends, Mr. and Mrs. P. Moore, Mr. and Mrs. Keyes, Mr. and Mrs. Ashcroft, Mr. and Mrs. E.A. Pereira, Mr. and Mrs. Dulporer, Mr. H.P.F. Butt, Knights and Friends, the editor of the Indian Daily News, Mr. and Mrs. Fleming and their families, Mr. and Mrs. E.A. Pritchard. Yes, Pritchard, as you know, he was the first from Calcutta to participate in an Olympics. Mr. Lewis, H.W. Wordsworth and friends, T.A. Chappell and friends, Roderick, Daniel, Mr. and Mrs. Siag, Campbell, Mr. and Mrs. Rigodi, and Lieutenant Colonel G.W. Porter and others. So that was the celebration 124 years back at the Shobha Bazaar, Rajbari.
জলটা কি আমরা এনার্জিটা যেতে দেবো।
দাদা একটু যদি সরে যান। একটু সরে যাবেন, হ্যাঁ একটু সামনের জনকে বলুন সরে যেতে। আমরা একটু আগে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ